In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove Docusign from your Pipedrive CRM, and we'll get this done in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and streamline your CRM by getting rid of unnecessary apps. To begin with, you need to access the Pipedrive homepage through a web browser. Head over to their website by typing in the URL or simply searching for Pipedrive in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, locate the login button, which you'll generally find at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Pipedrive account. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Pipedrive home screen. This is your central hub, where you'll see your sales pipeline, deals, and other critical business data. From here, you'll need to navigate to your profile, which can typically be found in the top right section of the page, marked by your account or profiles icon. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose the Tools and Apps option. This section is your go-to for managing the integrations and add-ons that enhance your Pipedrive experience. Selecting this will redirect you to another page where you'll see several options categorized under different tabs. Now, click on the Apps tab. This section contains all the applications that are currently integrated or connected with your Pipedrive account. Here, you'll need to scroll through the list and look for the Docusign app. Docusign typically assists in managing electronic agreements, but if it's not serving your current needs, it's time to remove it. Carefully identify it among the list of apps. Once you've located the Docusign app, hover over it, and you'll notice several options pop up. Here, you should find the option to remove the app. Click on the Remove button, which is usually easy to spot. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog box to ensure you want to proceed with the removal. Confirm your choice, and this will unhook the Docusign integration from your Pipedrive account, freeing up resources and potentially decluttering your app space. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Docusign from your Pipedrive CRM. By managing these integrations, you not only keep your CRM optimized, but also ensure you're only using the tools that truly benefit your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore other guides on enhancing your CRM experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy CRM managing!